In this video, I'll show you how to find LinkedIn username. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, your LinkedIn username can either be your username or someone's username, right? So I'm going to show you how you can find, let's say, someone's LinkedIn username, right? So what you're going to do right now, you can see from this option, there's a whole lot of people right here, right? There's a whole lot of friends, there's a whole lot of online entrepreneurs right here. So let me say I want to find the username of, let me say, okay, of January, right? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna click on his profile. Once it has opened up, you can see January is an online entrepreneur, right? So this is his username right here. This is his username, right? So you can reach out to him, you can test him, right? You can appreciate him for his good works here online, right? So this is basically how you can find LinkedIn username. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.